All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Today, first day of the year. Hey, everybody, Happy New Year's. Hope you all had a great time last night in the Metaverse. Did you happen to see the ball dropping? I don't know if you did that. Comment in the bottom if you did. Today, we're going to be talking about Ankr cryptocurrency. Yep, Ankr. We're going to do a year in review, what happened in 2021. We're going to talk about where it's at right now. Is it up? Is it down? Go to the website. Check out their Twitter account. Then also, we're going to talk about how to buy real estate in the Metaverse. So, big subject. People want to buy that real estate in the Metaverse. We're going to cover that for a few minutes. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Or go on the channels to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand about cryptocurrency, and yep, one day even own some cryptocurrency. So for New Year's or Christmas, did you gift some cryptocurrency? Did you gift it? Did you receive some cryptocurrency as a gift? That's kind of was a big thing this year. Did you get any NFTs? Did you gift any NFTs? All kinds of good stuff going on with cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Ankr Cryptocurrency. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap. Ankr is actually 110th cryptocurrency in the last 7 days. Taking a look right here, it's down 8.53%. So it is down a little bit, but in the last 24 hours, it's actually up almost 2%. Traded at a little bit over 10 cents right now. Clicking it over here to the right again, it's almost up 2%. It's traded at a little over 10 cents, 10.2. Take a look in the last 7 days. Last 7 days, Ankr was all the way up to 11 cents, almost 12 cents. We'll do a little price prediction at the end here. So 12 cents. Now it's actually down to 10 cents. Checking out the holders. Clicking 3 months. All right, where were the holders 3 months ago? So there was 27,000 people October 3rd holding Ankr cryptocurrency. 27,000. And today, it's already 31,000. So it's about a 4,000 increase. 4,000, about a 14% increase. So in the last 90 days, there's about 14% more people owning the Ankr cryptocurrency. Pretty good statistic there. Over here at the Twitter account, it says, did you check out our 2021 recap? You know, right here, they kind of got a little recap of what's going on from last year. Ankr 2021, a year in highlights. Binance Smart Chain, Polkadot, all kinds of Avalanche, Phantom, all kinds of good stuff here. You know, 2021 was one of the books. We're wrapping it up this year and getting ready for 2022. And in remembrance, the most exciting events that took place in Ankr's ecosystem. Number one, it became the fastest RPC layer at 8 blockchains. In October 2021, we released a long-awaited Ankr protocol, an entire platform of public endpoints that enables developers from 100 countries to interface with 8 most popular blockchains to get the data they need to build D-apps in a completely decentralized and open manner. Pretty awesome. Also, the acquisition of Phantom Tool RPC became an important addition to the Ankr product line, becoming one of the most popular RPCs on our platform. In the period of October to December 21st, we're proud to have exceeded the 179 billion calls. That's more than 3.5 billion calls per day, requests per day. Here you go, number of requests, Ankr's FTM tools in October, 179 billion. You know, launching a single explorer for 11 chains. Ankr's protocol enabled developers to build across the multi-blockchain, exciting new world that bridges its own new challenges. And at the end, Ankr Scan, an explorer that provides real-time transaction data from 11 different blockchains. So pretty good stuff going on with Ankr. We're going to come back to that in a little bit here. So how do we buy real estate in the Metaverse? Well, we're going to check that out. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, buying real estate. Are you really buying real estate? Is it digital real estate? Let's check it out. Right here, how to buy real estate in the Metaverse, a step-by-step guide. Well, the mini version, to buy properties in the virtual world, you will need to sign up for a Metaverse platform, something like Decentraland, The Sandbox, Axie Infinity, among others. You will need to transact in the Metaverse in a well-funded digital wallet. So you're going to have a digital wallet. We're going to do a step-by-step guide on how you can buy real estate in the Metaverse. So here we go. Here's the digital land. You know, but it seems to be catching on. People are liking the real estate deals. A number of property deals in the Metaverse have become making headlines with record $1 million transaction reported every other week now in the metaverse. To buy a property in the virtual world, you'll need to sign up for a platform such as Decentraland, the Sandbox, Axie Infinity. You will need to have the currency of the metaverse you're dealing with, like either Mana or the Sandbox, and you'll store the Mana or the Sandbox cryptocurrency in your digital wallet. With the help of almost complete ecosystems offered in the metaverse, you can buy, you can rent, you can flip, you can even sell properties in the digital world and ownership through the non-fungible title NFTs. Here's your step-by-step guide. Step 1, visit the property marketplace on the metaverse, such as Decentraland, Axie Infinity, or the Sandbox, and log into the platform. Step 2, browse the various available pieces of land and compare the price. So just like in the real world, you're going to have to compare, 5 or 6 or 20 different properties. Step 2. Step 3, once you have selected the digital piece of land that you wish to buy, click on the same to read more about it. Here's important to remember that a metaverse property platforms will only allow you to purchase from the platform by using their approved cryptocurrency. For example, Decentraland allows users to buy and sell properties using Mana cryptocurrency created by Decentraland. So in Decentraland, you have to use Mana. Step 4. The next step is to link your digital wallet to the property platform account. For this, you would first need to get yourself a compatible digital wallet. MetaMask is by far the most popular digital wallet available in the market today. It's compatible with almost every property platform on the metaverse. So MetaMask, you can't go wrong. Step 5. It is important to fund your digital wallet with the cryptocurrency that is compatible with the digital property platform you're choosing. You can also easily purchase the same in many exchanges and store the crypto safely in your digital wallet. After you're done selecting the land and funding your link with digital wallet, all you do is press the buy button and you buy it. Step 6. Once you complete the transaction, a piece of the digital land purchased by you is stored in a form of an NFT and a link in the digital wallet. You can view your acquired land under the NFT tab in your digital wallet. So right there is a step-by-step guide how you can buy property in the metaverse. We're going to do more videos on this. I just kind of wanted to do a little bit on that. Seems to be very popular. Cryptocurrency is popular. Metaverse, very, very popular. All right, everybody. Let's head back over to Ankr, do a little price prediction, and we'll go over the top 10. Over here at Ankr's website, Multi-Chain Foundation for Crypto Economy, as Ankr is the only platform that combines node infrastructure, staking, and DeFi to make the develop and earning easy. Your next step in crypto starts here. So it says if you're a crypto investor, you click here. If you're a crypto and developer, you click there. Let's say I'm a crypto investor. Click it, and it says Ankr Earn Liquid Staking. So now you can stake your Ankr. Why stake your Ankr? Ankr ETH2 staking solution provides the best user-friendly, highest level of safety combined with the attractive rewards, instant stake liquidity with bond-like system token called AETHC. Couple things here. You got your micropool, your staking manager, your security, your staking liquidity. All right, over at the website, it says earn a higher rate of return over traditional staking on 11 plus chains. Your portal to build and earn on Web 3.0. It says Ankr operates the most fundamental platform in the blockchain technology. And heading back over here to CoinMarketCap. So going back to 3 months ago, so this coin over here, it was at 14 cents. Last month, it went to 16 cents. It actually peaked at 20 cents. It was at 12 cents for a good amount of time. And before all that, it was at 9 cents. Right now, it's at 10 cents. I think this token, Ankr cryptocurrency, is going to get to around 13 or 14 cents by the end of the first quarter. All the information is for educational purposes only. But if you go back and look at the last 3 months, it was a lot higher than that. Ankr again right here at 110. All right, checking out the top 10. Polkadot's at number 10. It's up about 5% in the last 24 hours, traded at $28. Terra Luna is actually, in the last 7 days, down 6%. Last 24 hours, up 6%. So it's breaking even. $91.20 at number 9, Terra Luna. XRP is at 84 cents, up about 2% in the last 24 hours. Cardano is up about 4% in the last 24 hours at $1.37. Solana's up the last 24 hours at $178 for 4.25%. Binance Coin is up about 2%, 2.5% in the last 24 hours, $526. Ethereum is at around 3,700, down 8% in the last 7 days, 3,760. Bitcoin is at 47.5. All right, everybody, Happy New Year's again. Ankr cryptocurrency. I definitely like this crypto. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. It's a new year. Again, 2021 is when cryptocurrency became mainstream. Drop in the bottom, what's your favorite cryptocurrency? What do you think you're going to get into in the year 2022? Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Hey everybody, today's a bonus video. Have a great day today.